I'm filming in the same name basically. Whoa. Hi there and welcome to another clip from my channel. Probably you can tell I am wearing the same outfit as when I tested out this palette. If you did not see that one, I'll probably leave a card just up there and you could check out my really lovely eye look. I'm basically filming in the same day my Birchbox unboxing. So let's see what I got in here, because this has been sitting here for a week or so. They knew I would be happy today. This is very bright and spring, and I'm feeling those vibes today because it was very lovely outside. The day is longer. Hallelujah. So let's see what I got in here. Not again. This is damaged, and that was not my fault. It's the second box I'm getting damaged, but this is not as bad as the other one I got. I got one where it basically was pushed here. I'm not happy about that. So let's open this up, and obviously I have the leaflet in here with all the information. I think, oh my god, I'm gonna scream. Anyways, I'm gonna scream afterwards because, yeah, I knew I'll have that product. Basically, I mistakenly got on my Birchbox profile and I saw this. It's the Coco&Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Hair and Fig Hair Mask. Basically, my cousin was like, I saw this advert on Instagram and it looks really good, and I've seen that it's going to come at Birchbox, so it was just like a newsletter. I clicked and it got me into the box I got this month. So I saw this. I am really excited because it's quite expensive product. I think it's like 30 pounds or something. No, this tiny one retails for 9 pounds, but the bigger size, I know it's expensive. So if you're watching this, I'm testing this one out, so I hope you actually watch my clips. Anyways, that's a very exciting one. Next, the one thing that excited me is a brush. I love brushes because, like new brushes, because I'm lazy to wash them. So let's open this one up. Open, get out. Ooh. This is fluffy. I don't think it's like natural bristles, if I can tell, but it definitely tingles my hands, which means it's fluffy. I'm really sad because I've done my makeup. I should have used this one, but anyways, coming with that review all the time around the end of the month. So if you wanna see my opinions on how much I use this in a month, subscribe. Oh, ooh. This is the one that we were supposed to choose. Is the Lock Liquid Shimmer Shadow, but I forgot to choose this, so I had no idea what shade they're gonna give to me. So this is in shade Moonlight. Smells like glue. It really smells like glue, but okay, it is blinding. I think I'm gonna like this. But to be honest, the way it looked in the advert, I thought it's going to be a bit bigger. I feel with this kind of products, the tinier the better, because I never managed to use them up. So yeah, we'll see that one how it goes. I got from Nabla, which I never tried but I've heard of, Diva Crime Modern Matte Lipstick. I'm excited. I got 2 free makeup products. I love makeup, so ooh, it looks very bougie, if you ask me. It looks like someone ate it. What is this? Is that how it's supposed to look? Maybe I'm crazy. But I mean, it was packed and stuff. I don't think it should be any problem. But this is in shade Moulin Rouge, and I think I'm really excited of the okay, come on. This looks like it's used. Look at this. I have no idea what happened with this, but I don't feel safe. Maybe it should, I mean, it could be a thing from the fabrication and stuff, but still, like, It looks a bit really touched by someone else. It looks like someone had nails like myself and just stabbed it. That's why I don't feel very excited about it. But the only one thing I could say is I really want to try a red shade. It is a red shade. This is really big. I mean, you can tell. It is interesting because I'm seeing two people kissing there. What is this? No one gets flirty with the dirty. Oh, alright. I'm not. I guess. Let me just check. It's a shower gel. It is a shower gel. Oh my god. It smells like a man perfume, and I love stealing. Whenever I'm going to my boyfriend, I'm always using his perfume instead of mine. Nice scent. I think it made me a bit happier because I'm a bit sad with that lipstick. Oh, some postcards. Nice. And I can always use these as, like, you know, gift cards instead. You make me smile because you're lovely because, and you're my favorite because. That is really cute, actually. That is it for today. Actually, I am extremely happy with what I got this month because I love brushes. That shower gel, the sizing and the scent, win-win for me. Coco and Eve as well, excited because I really want to buy the full size. Thank God I changed my mind. And the lock thing, the shade, besides the fact that it looks amazing in terms of like quality and stuff on my hand, the shade is more like on a rose gold sort of side, and I love rose gold always and forever. So yeah, that is it from me for today. I do hope you enjoyed enjoyed this. Yeah, it was useful. And if you think about getting yourself a Birchbox, like I always say, there's a link down below where you can get £5 off of your first box, and you give me £5 back. If you want to use it, go ahead. If not, that's fine. I would appreciate if you use it because I could buy products to review on this channel through their website. So yeah, I will see you next time. Bye bye.